In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to enable SSH access in hosting your shared hosting step by step. If you're planning to manage your website through the command line, run Git commands, use Composer, or securely access your server files, enabling SSH is essential. The good news is, Hostinger makes this process very simple, and in the next few minutes, I'll walk you through everything you need to do. Before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more web hosting and software tutorials just like this. Now, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to hostinger.com. Click on Login in the top right corner and sign in to your Hostinger account using your email and password. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Hostinger hPanel dashboard, where you can manage all your hosting services. From the dashboard, look for the Websites section. Here, you'll see a list of domains and hosting plans connected to your account. Find the website where you want to enable SSH access. Next to that website, click on the Manage button. This will take you into the detailed management area for that specific hosting plan. Now that you're inside the management panel, look at the left-hand sidebar. Scroll down until you find the Advanced section. Click on Advanced to expand the options if it's not already expanded. Inside this section, you'll see an option labeled SSH access. Go ahead and click on SSH access. You'll now be taken to the SSH management page. If SSH is not already enabled for your hosting account, you'll see an option that says Enable SSH. Simply click on the Enable SSH button to activate it. Once you click Enable SSH, Hostinger will automatically configure SSH access for your hosting account. In a few seconds, you should see confirmation that SSH has been successfully enabled. On this same page, you'll also see important connection details, such as your SSH host, username, port number, and sometimes your server IP address. Make sure to take note of these details because you'll need them to connect using an SSH client, like Terminal on macOS or Linux, or PuTTY on Windows. If you're connecting from macOS or Linux, you can open Terminal and use a command like SSH username at your server IP-P port number. Replace the username, server IP, and port with the details shown in your Hostinger SSH access section. After pressing Enter, you may be prompted to confirm the server fingerprint, and then you'll enter your hosting account password to log in. If you're using Windows, you can download and open PuTTY. In PuTTY, enter the hostname or IP address, set the port number as shown in Hostinger, make sure the connection type is SSH, and then click Open. Log in using your SSH username and password when prompted. And that's it! You've successfully enabled SSH access in Hostinger shared hosting and learned how to connect to it. Enabling SSH gives you more control over your hosting environment and allows you to perform advanced tasks securely and efficiently. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more step-by-step hosting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.